Okay, now let's move to the next topic, which is relationship in Laravel. So as you guys can see, this is my database structure, and in here I have users, products, brands, category, product images, and also the tags. Each user can create multiple products, so that's why we have a relationship of one to many. If I zoom here, then each product can have one brand and one category. So the relationship between the products and category and brands are one to one, because each product can only have one brand and one category, but the each product can have multiple images. So we will store all the images of the products inside the product images. So the relationship is one to many, because each product can have multiple images. Now in the tags, each tag can have multiple products, and each product can have multiple tags. So that's why we created another table with the name of product tags, and it will store the relation between products and tags, and we call this kind of relationship many to many, because many products can have many tags, and vice versa, the many tags can have multiple products.